Hello, everybody. Hope you guys had a profitable day today. Hey, there were 13 really good order flow setups today. My trade setups went 9 and 4 with about a $700+ profit margin on the day with about a $400 drawdown. I'm going to go through those trade setups really quickly. Hey, just kind of an FYI, I did not take all the trades, but I was able to make my number pretty easily today. Hey, the first trade right after the market opened was a T2 with a rocket and a lead out. Very easy 4-point winner for 16 ticks. Second trade of the day came down. Structure changed back to green. We went down. We got a rocket and an oversold situation with a lead out. And this one did not get to 16 ticks. It got to 14 ticks or so. I took this trade, managed it to at least to a break even. So I did not lose any money on this trade, but it didn't quite get to 16. Market did a couple little gyrations on us and then began to head down rather aggressively. We got back-to-back setups within a couple minutes of each other. We had T2s with a smart breakpoint lead out and a needle bar confirmation, easy 16 tick winner. And then we got another T2 with a rocket with, again, a needle bar confirmation. So a second relatively easy winner that happened really fast. Those are within a couple minutes of each other. Market then came down, did its congestion at the bottom, and then began to head back up towards the open. We got a really nice overbought TTO dot with a lead out here with a needle bar confirmation that went straight up to a nice winner. And then we had a straddle situation with a rocket and a lead out again with a needle bar confirmation that again went on for a nice winner. And at this point, most traders probably would have been done for the day. You could have kept going if you wanted to. I'll show the rest of the trades at 10:42. There was a pivot retag coming from a position of being overbought. So this is an entry that you want to take. This one gave you 12 ticks, not 16, then walked backwards, and I tagged it as a loss. And then we had a really nice rocket, smart breakpoint lead out with a needle bar confirmation sitting on the cap line. You have to take that trade just about every time. That's a very qualified setup for the type of trading that we do. And then when market structure changed around and we began to look for shorts, we got a nice setup here with a divergent rocket lead out with a needle bar confirmation. Again, the market was going up at this point in time. So this is a structure read just kind of gives a temporary down structure. We got 12 ticks out of this and not 16. I believe I took this trade, and again, I went to break even on it, so I didn't lose any money. But it did not get the 16 ticks per our tag out. And then it went up and found, met the earlier high of the day and then began to unwind from there. We got a very similar setup. We got a divergent smart breakpoint lead out. And this was a nice trade. Took a little bit of heat through here, but it eventually did go to target. Up here, we got a relatively easy divergent trade and simple win right there. Then we got a pivot retag with the rocket and a smart breakpoint lead out and needle bar confirmation for the next setup. This setup, again, it went about 15 ticks on us, did not get to 16 ticks, and then walked back. I was not in this trade, but this is one that I certainly would have been. This is a divergent smart breakpoint coming from a position of being well overbought with a double lead out coming down on the right side. So that's a highly qualified setup. And then that was the day. When you look at the tally on the day, trades went 9 and 5 today with a total of $738 in profit. There was a $409 drawdown on the day, but the goal here and the name of the channel is Next Play Trading. So even though I had a couple losses in a row today, if I just keep taking the next play, the next play, the next play, you end up hitting your number. Okay. So hope you guys had a profitable day. I look forward to catching up with you again tomorrow. System has had the strategy has had 4 very nice clean days this week with very little overall drawdown, and I'm up quite nicely. I'll share my weekly recap on my stats in tomorrow's recap. Hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.